talking about stainless steel on this video, and all these products are based around stainless steel machining. So maybe we can just briefly talk about some.
We highlighted some products, especially here precision coolant for grooving application, our GGC line, so we will explain later a little bit. We have a very strong rounder grade YB9020, so we are comfortable in all applications. So it's our best PVD grade at the moment in combination with the EG chip breaker for the medium range. And as well we have also a mini turn system, so we start with a minimum diameter 1 millimeter up to 8 millimeter. And here is an economical high precision boring solution with the newest PVD coating on the market at the moment. We got also two great solutions for milling application, is our VZM grade, and for the boring application we have ST series.
In terms of solid carbide drills, obviously through coolant, perfect for stainless.
Yeah, perfect for stainless. So we decrease the temperature, and the VZM series has a special sharp shape.
Mm-hmm. I'm intrigued to know more about the grooving holders.
Yes.
You know, what makes them different? Why is it so important to get through coolant, to the cutting edge?
Through coolant, so we can increase dramatically the tool life. But we have a big benefit on this system. We have three kinds of series. We have the S series line, that's for sliding head machines. We have the DGC series, this is for a reinforced version, you can see, and we have a straight one, the DGSC. The biggest benefit, we have all solutions, we have 4 different connection points, direct coolant supply about a VDI system, or a thread solution for a normal conversion machine.